Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this electric standing desk that this brand sent to me for this video. This one could be really good if you, for example, have a setup that you're working with, like this one for your home office, and you like to, let's say, have meetings at eye level or something like that. But you also like to stand up and kind of like have those meetings and work at the same time. You can put a walking pad underneath as well, and just make sure that you have room to keep walking and exercising. Or if you like to be, for example, if you're like a content creator or something like that, and if you like to show products this way and only a kind of like an eye level and this height, you can actually do it, because this one goes from 20, I want to say like 30 inches to the bottom part to almost 46 inches tall. So that's actually a lot, just like based on the four memories that has on this side. So for example, right now I'm gonna put it in just number one. I'm not doing anything, and this one is going down quietly, super quietly, because it has quiet motors, and this one is going to go down to actually the 29.9 inches tall, and this one is a 48 by 24. They have also bigger ones, but it's super strong and really easy to assemble. I think it took me probably the entire thing 25 minutes with power tools, no more than that. Really easy, super well explained with the instruction manual, and you can get it down in probably 25-30 minutes of something like that. Let's take a closer look. So as you can see, this one comes in this type of wood, which is super nice and soft, but also comes in black color, so you can actually pick from the other one. And remember, as I was telling you before, this is the 48 by 24. It's 24 inches deep by 48 inches wide, but you can pick the bigger one, which I believe that is either 52 or 56, one of those two. So I like that because it looks super modern, it looks stylish, and of course it's also really soft to the touch. So you can put up to 1, 3, probably 2 or 3 monitors in here. I would say that 2 up to 32 inches you can do it. You can put 3 up to 27 inches, and you can probably put one of those like super big wide 49 inches in this one as well, if the stand is right here in the middle. And as I was telling you before, you have the 2 manual buttons over here. With this one, is going to be a display that's going to light up at night, or every single time it's going to light up. But I'm saying that if you need something at night to see the numbers, you're going to have this one lighting up. You can do the manual. As you're going to see over here, I can just keep pressing until the point that I'm not pressing it anymore, and it stops. Or I can use either of the 4 settings that this one has, that you can actually make your own one, but just like short pressing is going to add your own height in each one of these 4 presses from here. You have this one, which is the lowest one. You have the middle one, which I think it is, as you're going to see right here, 37.4. So it's going to be rising up until that point, and it's just going to stop, which I think it is really convenient and good to have. But yeah, if you need a electric standing desk, 48 by 24, easy to use, easy to assemble. You don't have any issues with the cables. You can route the cables at the bottom part. You also have a holder right here that's going to be on this side. It is this side, a double holder for your headphones. You can put up to 2 in here. And of course, that is also super quiet. That gives you the freedom to stand, sit, or just like having exercise when you're working or something like that, or also gaming if you like as well. I like it. I do recommend this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.